When Smart Cube Kit sent me their innovative lighting solution and sponsored this video, I was amazed by its versatility. It's not just a desk light, it's a multifunctional gadget that syncs with your phone, computer, and even your keyboard. With different cube types or matrix, spot, and panel, you can create various configurations from a tower to a row using built-in magnets. The Elite Station app offers diverse effects and graffiti, catering to different tastes, whether you're a hacker, Barbie fan, or gamer. And for gamers, the synchronization of colors between the cubes and keyboard creates an immersive experience. Plus, the Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp adds another dimension to interactive lighting, allowing users to adjust brightness, color, and ambience with gestures or a mobile app, making it both practical and entertaining for modern spaces. Check out the discount link in the video description for the perfect desktop lights. Elevate your gaming experience with Cooler Master's Motion 1 Haptic Gaming Chair. This buddy rocks immersive gaming with over 65,000 effects, sensing vibrations to on-screen action. Feel every bump with magnetic lumbar support and a headrest that matches your body's curves. Not just for gaming, it offers adaptive modes for movies too. And for precision in play, check out the Cooler Master Motion 1 Gaming Mouse. Customizable buttons and adjustable DPI settings give unrivaled control, while its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions. Dominate the virtual battlefield with this high-performance duo, designed to unleash your gaming potential. The ultimate charger for your iPhone, delivering lightning-fast charging, even surpassing the official MagSafe charger, powering your device from 0 to 100% in just 2.5 hours. Its durable aluminum alloy body and scratch-resistant face ensure it's virtually indestructible. Compatible with iPhone 12 and 13 lineups, it includes a 5FT cable and adapter. But wait, there's more. The ESR Halilog kickstand doubles as a wireless charging stand and magnetic kickstand, allowing hands-free viewing in portrait or landscape mode. It's the perfect blend of style and utility, offering convenience and versatility at a fraction of the cost of the original MagSafe. Beat the heat this summer with the Z Hyacinth Ultralight Air Conditioner, your portable oasis in warm weather. Weighing just 11.9 pounds, it's easy to take anywhere, ensuring comfort indoors or out with touch controls and 6 modes. Including options for drier or cooler air and stronger airflow, it caters to your every need. Even during sleep, it remains whisper quiet, providing uninterrupted cooling for a refreshing wake-up. Powered by rechargeable batteries or USB, it's perfect for camping, dorm rooms, or offices, effectively cooling areas up to 86 square feet. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you are. With up to 600 hours of continuous operation, this AC keeps you refreshed all summer long. Meet the Olight O-Pen Glow, a multifunctional marble combining the utility of a pen with the convenience of a flashlight. Perfect for low-light writing or sudden emergencies, it's your go-to tool in any situation. Simply push the button to activate the flashlight, with adjustable brightness modes to suit your needs. And for added comfort, switch to the pen tip light. Worried about power? Not anymore, with its convenient charging base ensuring you're always prepared. Compact and lightweight, it fits effortlessly in pockets or bags. Ready to assist whenever required, with its dual functionality, the O-Pen Glow is a must-have companion for those seeking practicality and versatility in their everyday carry. The TP-Link Casa Cam, your home's vigilant guardian. With a 130 wide-angle lens, night vision up to 25 feet, and two-way audio, every corner is under surveillance. Whether you're at home or away, control the cam with ease through the app or Amazon Alexa, accessing live streams on your preferred device. Plus, customizable activity zones ensure you're alerted to specific movements, with recordings securely stored in the cloud using AES 128 encryption. From its high-definition video capabilities to motion detection technology, the Casa security camera offers reliable monitoring for enhanced security. Easy to install and navigate, it's the ideal choice for safeguarding your space, providing peace of mind wherever you are. Step up your backyard security game with the Allo Pro 3 floodlight camera. This wireless marvel combines powerful illumination with high-definition video surveillance, ensuring sharp visuals and saving all footage for your peace of mind with its ambient light sensor. The floodlight adjusts its strength based on available light, providing optimal visibility day or night. Plus, the two-way audio feature lets you easily communicate with potential intruders, deterring them effectively. Engineered with weather-resistant materials, this camera withstands the elements, offering reliable outdoor security. With customizable motion zones and integrated spotlight, it provides comprehensive coverage, perfect for homeowners or business owners seeking advanced security solutions. Keep your property safe and well-lit with the Allo Pro 3 floodlight camera, your ultimate outdoor security companion. The G6 Sport RF Detector, your ultimate privacy protection companion. With a battery life of up to 30 hours, it's perfect for home use, business trips, or travel, ensuring you're always safeguarded. Featuring 7 sensitivity levels, it detects all signal sources, from GPS trackers to hidden cameras, providing accurate detection with its upgraded optical lens. Plus, its compact size allows for easy portability, whether hanging on a door or carried in your pocket, doubling as an alarm. Say goodbye to hidden cams and spies with this must-have gadget. But if you're into treasure hunting or security checks, the Voivee G6 detector is your go-to. With adjustable sensitivity and audio alerts, it ensures accurate detection of metal objects, making it versatile for various applications. Stay protected and detect hidden threats with these reliable gadgets at your disposal. Check out the LumiDeck, a keyboard like no other, featuring a detachable 14-inch touchscreen. This plug-and-play marvel supports Type-C and mini HDMI video inputs, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. With programmable software, customization is at your fingertips, allowing you to tailor it to your needs, connect to 2 devices simultaneously, and enjoy scrolling through pictures just like on your smartphone. But wait, there's more. The UltraLumi LumiDeck revolutionizes night skateboarding with its built-in LED lights. Offering both safety and style, durable and bright, it ensures visibility during low-light rides, elevating your skateboarding experience. Whether performing tricks or cruising around, stand out and stay safe with the UltraLumi LumiDeck, the ultimate fusion of functionality and style.